How to log in to Trade Republic account. So if you want to log into your Trade Republic account, then first you need to open up your Trade Republic application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've opened, you need to simply go for login, which is on the bottom left, to log into your account. So to log into your account, you need to enter your phone number with your country code. So simply go for the drop down bar and then you can choose your country code. Once you've choose the country code, you need to enter your phone number or your mobile number and then tap on next. And once you tap on next, and then it will take you to the next page where you need to enter your credentials, and once you've entered the correct credentials, then you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Trade Republic account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.